Auckland Steam and Dry, the #1 choice for dry, eco-friendly carpet cleaning. Auckland Steam and Dry provide expert carpet cleaning and more for a healthy and comfortable home. Get a properly clean carpet. Proper carpet cleaning is done with proprietary equipment. Powerful truck-mounted carpet cleaning, quality without the compromise. A quick video of our carpet cleaning process.
To give you an idea of how important temperature is, if the steam that we're using is 30 degrees Celsius, the cleaning action doubles. So that's a big advantage from cold water. You don't want to use cold water. Every 10 degrees on top of that 30 degrees, it doubles again. If you can imagine 70 degrees or 80 degrees, which is about where we're working our steam, we've got 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, or say 75, so we're dealing with about 5.5 times the cleaning capacity of cold water.
It's so satisfying watching the dirt and bacteria being extracted from carpets. Our carpet cleaners tend to sleep very well. You get the best possible carpet cleaning service, or it's free. Family owned since 1987. Auckland Steam and Dry gives you the best value carpet and upholstery service in Auckland. See our online 5-star reviews across various platforms. Quality professional carpet cleaning. Why overpay? Call us. Auckland Steam and Dry, the professional carpet cleaning service that you can trust. Call us today for a free estimation.